Yo, sing this shit. Are y'all fucking dumb?
Eternality.
That girl, she got with my clone. I told that little girl that she got it, just do better. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She suck my dick till she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it. Okay, pop, but I'm not talking new. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make a false move, I'm on some whole other shit. I got a whole nother rich. I'm on a new level. I was fucking on your bitch. She was riding on my dick. She ain't need two pedals. I swear these niggas, they bitches. I swear they all gonna snitch when my niggas gon' shoot at them. Niggas, they mad about this. Niggas, they mad about that, but it's only if you let her. She say my name in her phone. Only thing she say me under is probably that you let her. No, I don't got provolone. Only thing in my pocket is probably some blue cheddar. She try to leave me alone. Then she got right with my clone, and I hope that she do better. I know it's blue cheese on me, but when I got 50s on me, I call that shit loose cheddar. Jeremy Scott's all on my feet. I had a cougar with me, so I call that girl Coretta. I am the richest nigga in my city. I can make it rain like no matter what's the weather. I know that girl, she got swag, but when it comes to putting it together, she could do better.
Yo, what's up, guys? So, eBay pulled through. They're supposed to come on the 5th. Today's the 3rd. Shout out to eBay. So, my brother was like, yo, you should get the black Honda badges. But all the homies was telling me get the red ones, and I really wanted the red ones as well because I wanted to make it look like a Type R, you know? And so, this is what it came with, and it just came today. I'll show you guys. I gotta flip the camera. So. Alright, guys. So, it came with the front and the back. Steering wheel patch, and then these are the Honda Type R tire caps. It's very straightforward to set up. It has the 3M tape in the back, these two parts that just connect. I'm not too sure if this is the original color, but I like this color either way. You know, I believe it's a little lighter. I don't know, I'm not too sure. Maybe it's different. But yeah, this is crazy, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how to set this up. I'm gonna show you guys the process right now. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, I got these on eBay again. I got these ones on eBay. These were around $70, 60 something, you know, tax. It came out to like $70. And it didn't take that long. It only took maybe like half a week to get here. So I really appreciate that, eBay. Shout out to you guys again. So yeah, this is what I got, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna set this up right now. Alright, guys, so we're here. Yeah, we got this stuff. So right now, yeah, I only have this part. I have the front and back, and also the tire caps. Pretty straightforward, nothing too difficult. I'll show you guys how to do this right now. Alright, guys, so really all you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver and just pop this right off. You can break it, you don't really need it no more. You're obviously replacing it with the new ones. So yeah, let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so I got a filler. This is what it looks like when you take it off. You can throw this away. I'm gonna put it to the side real quick. As you can see, it left some 3M tape, but you just take that off, and then you're gonna want to clean the rest of that part up because it's dirty, and then it's gonna stick better also. You recording? All right, guys. So I got this goof off Miracle first time. You know, just spray that. No free promos. No free promos. Yeah, so you just spray it right here. Wipe that off. Make that super clean, man. Wipe that off real quick. Spray some more. I'm not too sure which one goes right here, but we'll find out right now. This is the red Honda badge. It's looking nice. This one goes right here. Nope. Oh wait, yep. Wipe this one more time. Get all that gunk off. Sides. And then we're just gonna peel this red piece off. If I can get it. So this took me a while, but I finally got it. Just gonna take that off. You wanna place that right here. Right here. Put force. Oh, a lot of force. I want to get all those air bubbles out. I'm not gonna do that much. But, you know, put a little bit of force. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so the next one is gonna be the front. Sweated. Oh, that's rough. R.I.P. R.I.P. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did in the back to the front. Just take this part off. Alright guys, so there's a better way of doing this. I'm just improvising. Cut myself. Don't do that. Dude, this is crazy, bro. I didn't know it was gonna be this freaking crazy. Bro. Can you go get me a Band-Aid? No?
It's my first day on the job.
Alright guys. I got a Band-Aid because, you know, has some technical difficulties. But yeah, so yeah, I took that off. I'm gonna replace it with the new one. This is the new one. Just gonna put this Band-Aid on real quick because my finger hurts. So again, see all this nasty dirt? It looks kind of brown. Just want to spray that up in there. Put it down. Side. Dig up all that nasty gunk. Alright guys, so this is the front. Put it in the light. Yeah, it looks nice. So it took me a while to take off the 3M tape. It's the back one. So I'll just, you know. Alright. Didn't take me as long as I thought it would. I got it. Alright guys. And then just place that right in there. It has holes. Just gonna want to put some force. How it coming out, guys? You dig? Looks good. All right, now we're gonna do the steering wheel. We're gonna put that little patch on there. This little tiny one. So right here, I'm gonna clean this one too because there's probably dust on it. All right, like I said, I recommend, you know, using scissors, but so So it has like this, I don't even know.
Satisfied vibes.
Yeah. Just gonna take this little red paper off. Look guys, you don't need to take this part off. You just slap it right on top. It's usually how everyone else does it. That's how I'm gonna do it. That's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know why you take that off. Maybe you can, but I'm not. So yeah, just, you know, from it right and there we go. Yeah, there we go, guys. And then you're gonna want to put some pressure on it.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this.
Straps. It's the Honda. Came with this. I'll use this in the future. Put that in my pocket. But yeah, looking nice. So yeah, just take this off. And then put the new ones.
On the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all First, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction.
Alright guys, so that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what else I should do. I'm recently getting a new lip. It's gonna be carbon fiber. It's on the sides it comes out more. It's gonna look more aggressive. So I'll show you guys that video soon. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the homies.